Now, our next issue is we've got this system out to the west. And you see that? Because of that, the National Weather Service has added a new severe thunderstorm watch. This one goes till 2 o'clock in the morning. Now, this is not going to do like the last one did where it sat on top of us. This is going to be one line of thunderstorms that blast through. And based on the way this is shaped right now, we call it a bow echo, that is notorious for putting down some very strong wind. So as this one moves across the area, it won't be as much rain, but we could have some damaging wind overnight tonight. So that's the one I'm watching. Now, I put a tracker onto this to give you a rough idea. It's moving at about 35 miles an hour. Would move into Worcester about 11:26. It'll move into Boston about 12:30. When it comes through, a brief burst of rain, but more than likely some very strong wind with it. It's going to be a blast of wind, and then once it goes by, things will settle down after that. So here you can see what happens. See how it moves here at 11, midnight, and then it's gone, and what's left behind, some scattered showers overnight tonight. So that will be the end of our really strong storms that we've been tracking all afternoon and all day tonight. Here's what's happening tomorrow morning. We'll have some clouds early, and then it clears away, and the humidity starts to drop. So all that muggy weather, which fueled these thunderstorms, created all that torrential rain that we had today, that's going to be gone. We're going to have lower humidity and much more comfortable conditions coming in. But tonight, we do have to watch out for those downpours and especially that damaging wind coming through Boston right around midnight or so. And as far as rain is concerned, this next batch coming through, we could pick up another ½ inch to an inch of rain in areas that are already pretty saturated. So we don't need any more rain, not tonight, especially around the Mass Pike. South of it, you can handle the rain perfectly fine. Here's the view over the city right now where it's 71 degrees and the dew point up there. The air was so muggy, and that's what these thunderstorms were able to draw in. They just grabbed all that moisture in the air, squeezed it out, and we had all the rain. Tomorrow, the dew point is dropping in the afternoon, bottoms out on Friday. Saturday, still pretty comfortable. But on Sunday, humidity is back. And so that's why, as we head to the weekend, Sunday's your best chance for another round of thunderstorms. So the less humid air moving in, it'll be with us on Friday, really looking like the pick of the week. And then we watch for this system coming in on Saturday. It does mean a chance of some afternoon thunderstorms on Saturday, but the better chance is going to be on Sunday. So tomorrow, after some morning showers, we get some afternoon sunshine. And on Friday, what a day. Low humidity, upper 70s, and lots of sunshine. Saturday, looks like maybe a few afternoon showers or thunderstorms. Does not look like a washout. The better chance of rain is actually on Sunday, and even that's not a washout. But it is muggy, and look for some thunderstorms with that one. After that, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, as we greet the month of July, comfortable humidity, lots of sunshine, looking very nice at this point. But we still have to go through those thunderstorms the rest of tonight. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wonkum.